Hello guys, what's up? It's kinda awkward, but as you know that I created a post something a week ago that I will be doing a Q&A. So
Today I am gonna start with some of the few questions from your side. So, by the way, this is my real voice, and I am feeling very nervous because this is my first voice reveal video. Okay, so let's get started. So the first question is, which anime do you like the most by Sky? Let's think about it. Of course, my channel's name is Overpowered Naruto. So of course, my favorite anime is also Naruto, of course. Okay, so the second question is from Dark Dragon HK. Okay, who is powerful? Itachi Uchiha versus Shisui? Question mark. Okay, of course, there's nothing to think about it. Of course, Itachi Uchiha. So the next question is from Kiran Warrior. So the question is, what does your face look like? Please do a face reveal. Okay, first giving the answer of the question that the one and only word that I can say about my face is
handsome.
of course, that which man in the world says that I am ugly? Of course. Okay, so and face reveal. I am not thinking about face reveal now. Okay, I think I can probably do that on the 500k subscribers. Okay, let's think about it. So the next question is from fake person. What is this? What kind of word had you used for your name, bro? Okay, anyways, let's start answering your question. Your question is, what's your top 3 anime? Okay, let's think about it. Let's start from the last. Okay, my top third anime is Death Note because it was my first anime that I watched. Okay, at the second number I have One Punch Man because do you also know that One Punch Man is a great anime. Okay, and absolutely amazing anime. Okay, and you also know, I also know that my first anime means my first number anime is of course Naruto. Not Naruto, but Naruto Shippuden because Naruto is very great and powerful in Naruto Shippuden. Okay, now let's proceed to our next question. So the next question is from CyberX Home. His question is, what is your name and what app do you use for these edits? Okay, so my real name is Abhi. Okay, now I'm not saying my surname of course because you people know how to find out people on every app. Okay, on every social media app. So I'm not saying my surname of course, and I use CapCut nowadays for these edits because CapCut is a very OP and good app for editing. But at first I was using InShot and other apps like EasyCut, KineMaster of course, and so this is the answer of your question. Now let's proceed to our next question. Okay, so the next question is from Knight. Okay, his question is, how tall are you? I think this is a very personal question, but I will say my real height. Of course, my real height is 5'5", means 5 feet and 5 inch. Okay, now I think you now satisfied from my height. Okay, so now let's proceed to our next question. Okay, so the next question is from Vijaya Lakshmi. His or her his or her question is that, are you studying or working? Of course, I am studying because I think my standard will be revealed in the next few questions. Okay, so I'm studying only, not working. Okay, so the next question is from Jay Mishra. Okay, he said that what is your age, full name, address, or GF name and income. Okay, let's talk about age first because it is very confidential, but I will say you that my age is 14 years and I am in 8th standard of course, and my full name, I can say my full name, but my the first name is my Abhi, and my address, okay, my address, I can't say you my address, but I am living in Gujarat. I can say that I'm from India and I am from Gujarat. Okay, press GF name. Oh, okay, let's let's not think about it because I never had one. Okay, so now last income. I will be really clear to you. I had never earned any a single penny from YouTube till now, because my 4,000 watching hour is not completed till now. Only 3,200 hours are completed, so 800 hours more to go, and then income will be started. Okay, so the next question is from OP Legend FF. He said that which games you like more, when will be the face reveal and voice reveal video. And talking about voice reveal, we are currently doing that only, and face reveal I can probably do that on 500k subscribers. Okay, and the games I like more, I can probably say that it's FF, but I am very active, active on YouTube, of course, more than Free Fire. Okay, so let's proceed to our next question. Okay, so the next question is from Majid Shah. A compliment that you always get. Okay, the compliment that I always get is topper and YouTuber, because topper because I am in the list of top 3 in the class or the standard sometimes. Okay, because I top every time in my class, but not every time, but I am in the top 3 list. Okay, so everyone say me topper and YouTuber, because you also know that I had 124k subscribers because of you guys. So everyone say me YouTubers. Okay, he's a YouTuber. Okay, so the next question is from Kashish Sharma. Okay, he said that Naruto or Shinchan, whom would you choose? Okay, of course Naruto, because it is very a good anime, and Shinchan is of course a cartoon. Okay, but I regularly see Shinchan in my past, in childhood, I'm in childhood only, but when I am in first, second, third standard, I see Shinchan every day regularly. Okay, but it's a very tough choice, but I will be choosing Naruto. Okay, because it is a very great, and moral values are also can be gained from the Naruto. Okay, so of course Naruto. So the next question is from VK Kings. He said that which junk food you like the most. For Naruto, it's ramen. The junk food I like the most is pizza. So the next question is from Sanjay Swar. He said that if you have to choose between the passion or doing something which makes you depressed but gives you money, what will you choose? This is a very difficult one. Okay, but if you choose passion, it will not give you money. But if you it's a very tough choice. I think I will be choosing passion, of course, because if you get depressed, you can't earn money because you are depressed. Okay, so passion. So the next question is from Manoj Pradhan. He said that how much you earn from this channel. I had said about this earlier in the video that I had not earned a single penny from this channel. Okay, because my 800 hours is not completed. If you still doesn't believe me, then see this photo. I think now you are satisfied with this photo, because I never earned a single penny from this channel. So now let's proceed to our next question. Okay, so the next question is from Forgotten Legend. These questions are: have you told your parent about YouTube? Second question is: how do you feel getting 100k subscribers? Okay, let's talk about the second question first. I was really happy hitting 100k subscribers, because it is a very big achievement, and it has only happened by the love and the support you had given me, guys, in these few months. Okay, it is a very big deal. Okay, so talking about the first question is I never told my parents about YouTube, because I want to prove them wrong that a person can earn millions, but some few rupees from the online social media apps. Okay, Okay, so the next question is from Epic Gamer. His question is, if you can bring back a Naruto character, who would it be? And you can't say Kuruma. Means Kurama. Only human characters or an Otsutsuki. If I can bring a Naruto character, it would be Uchiha Itachi because it is my favorite character in Naruto, and he had suffered a lot in his childhood, and of course he had killed his whole clan and was grieving about that after he killed all of them. Okay, so it would be of course Uchiha Itachi. So the next question is from Forever. His question is, will Naruto or Boruto surpass Goku? Let's think about it. Of course, Naruto will never surpass Goku, but in one of my video, in fact or cap edits, who is strongest, I had said that will Naruto Baryon mode will surpass Goku, but it is not true. It is a cap, of course. So I can't say. And about Boruto, I can't say Boruto will never uproot Goku because Boruto had karma, and of course the karma of Momoshiki. So he can, I think he can uproot Goku. But I can't say that Boruto will surpass Goku definitely. But he can. He has a, I think so. He has the ability to surpass Goku. So next question is from a science fam, MEH. Okay, I am saying he's science fam because his question is from the science. He said that what is the powerhouse of the cell? This question was asked in my exam. Yes, truly, guys, this question was asked in my exams, and its answer is mitochondria. Of course, it's the powerhouse of the cell. So I think we should end this video by saying you goodbye and stay safe.